Hello students, welcome to the second video lesson from integration. In this video lesson, I will be taking you through the techniques of integration. Basically, we have three techniques. These techniques also we have studied in class 12. So, we'll start with the integration by substitution, okay, and we'll go with the other two techniques in the later part of the video. So, in integration by substitution, most of the questions can be solved using integration by substitution. Okay, there are specific questions where you need to use integration by substitution, otherwise you can't solve using general integration. So, few steps here. So, in the first step, convert the given function to power form. So, any of the given equation you convert into power form. So, when you take u for the substitution, take the highest power of the function as u. So, whichever function is having the highest power, you take it as u. And then, when you take it as u, any of the function, when you take it as u, on differentiation, you must be able to get the other functions. So, you will be given two functions sometimes. So, when you give, when two functions are given, when you take one function and differentiate that function, on differentiation, you must be able to get the other function. If you do not get the other function, then you have to take the next function as u. If the exact differentiation of the denominator is there in the numerator, for example, in the denominator, when you take it as u, and on differentiation, if you get the exact value in the numerator, then your solution is directly the log of the denominator. This technique would work in your MCQ. So, if any root function is there, take the function or the variable, that is whichever is there inside the root, as u and substitute. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, so integration of root x square plus 1 2x dx. So we have two functions here. We have 2x and root is there. So since root is there, as I told you before, whichever is there inside the root, the function whichever is there inside the root, you take that function as u. So you take as u, differentiate is, so we are getting 2x. Okay, so 2x is there obtained now, other function here. Now what you need to do is you find dx. So you simply cross this two, you exchange this two, so 2x is coming here, you find dx. Now replace root x is here, root of u, you are replacing this, then 2x you keep as it is, du divided by, replace dx by du by 2x. So 2x will get cancelled, so root of u du. So integration of root u is u to the power 1 by 2 du. So u power will get added, whatever the power is coming, you write it here, plus c. So half plus 1, right? So half plus 1, so you just cross multiply here, 1 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 3 by 2. So you are getting 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So what will happen here? This will get reciprocal here. So 2 is coming here, 2x square plus 1, you are replacing u, 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus c. Okay, now let's look at example number 2. So here we have just one function. Whenever you have one function and there is a power, you take whatever value is there inside the root as u. So you can solve this question directly also, right? We can solve using another method that I will show you later. So u equal to 2x plus 3 divided by, you are taking as u. Now you differentiate this, on differentiation you are getting 2. So find dx, du divided by 2. So see, you are replacing as u. So here we are converting into power form. Then only we are solving. So u to the power 2 du divided by 2. So 1 by 2 constant, u square du. So integration of u square is u to the power 3 divided by 3 plus c. So you replace u, 2 into 3 is 6 you are getting. Now we can use this shortcut method to solve this kind of questions. Okay, using second power rule. If you remember what you have learned in class 12, like second power rule. If you have ax plus b to the power n dx. See, all these lengthy steps can be solved using just one step. So ax plus b to the power n. So we can add the power and divide by the same power, but you have to differentiate whatever is there inside this bracket. So differentiation of ax is a plus c. Now if you look at this question, so we have around 6-7 steps here. See, it's in this form. So 2x plus 3, increase the power by 1, 3 divide by the power you obtained here into differentiation of 2x is what? 2. differences on 3 is 0. So 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. You are getting the same answer whatever is here. Say. So with 2 steps we can find the answer here. So this is using integration by substitution. This is using the direct formula. Now example 3. So e to the power 3x plus 4 dx. So this question can also be solved directly. See, if you take this one, so integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, right? So integration is e to the power x only. So any exponential function we can write e to the power 3x plus 4. Differentiate this and divide 3 plus c. Okay, so now let's see whether we can solve using integration by substitution or not. So take the power as u, 3x plus 4, differentiate it. On differentiation you are getting 3. Find dx, du divide by 3 equal to dx. Replace this e to the power u, du divide by 3. 1 by 3 constant, e to the power u, du. So integration of e to the power u, e to the power x, e to the power x only. So plus c. Now replace u, 3x plus 4, 1 by 3. We are getting the same answer here. Okay, now let's look at this example. See, here there are two functions. Now you need to think, you need to remember the steps there. When you take one function, on differentiation you should be able to get the other function. So if you take x cube as u, on differentiation you will get 3x square. So you are not getting the other function. So you have to take u as x to the power 4. So if you take x to the power 4 on differentiation du by dx, you will be able to get 4x cube. So you are getting x cube here. So now you find dx from here, divided by 4x cube is equal to, so it's going to become dx. So now you replace. Now you replace this du by dx and u. Okay, so it's going to become integration of, so you keep this one like this only, times, now you can write this as e to the power u, so dx is replaced by du divided by 4x cube. So x cube will get cancelled. So you are eliminating any one of the function here. So integration of 1 by 4 is constant, e to the power u du. So 1 by 4 e to the power u plus c. So 1 by 4 you replace e to the power x to the power 4 plus c. So your answer is e to the power x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. This is your answer. Again similar question here, but you need to look which one will you take as u. So on, if you take x as u on differentiation you will get 1. So you will have to take log x as u. So when on differentiation you will get 1 by x. So if you take u as u equal to u as 2 plus log x, differentiate it, du by dx is equal to 1 by x. Now you need to find dx, cross multiply. So x du is equal to dx. So replace it here now. So this whole thing is going to become u to the power 3 divided by x into, in place of dx we have x du. So integration, x will get cancelled here, u to the power 3 du. So it's going to become u to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Replace u, 2 plus log x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Okay, now example 7, if you look at this, so if you remember the steps when I explained, if the exact differences of denominator is there in the numerator, then the answer is directly the log of the denominator. So if you look here, if you take 2x plus 1 as u, you will not get this one denominator. If you take this denominator as u, you are getting the exact 2x plus 1 as u, what differentiation in the numerator. So if you get the exact differentiation of the denominator, if it is there in the numerator, then your answer is log. So on solving also it's coming, but this kind of technique can be used in MCQ. If you get MCQ questions like this, then you can use it. So you are taking x square plus 1, differentiation you are getting this. So this 2x will get 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 will get cancelled, 1 by u, log u. So log of x square plus c. So see, log of the denominator here. Okay, now your turn now. Okay, so you can try this 5 questions given here. Okay, almost all the questions, similar questions have been solved there. Okay.